17 of the contestants was a group of people not supposed to be in one room eating Sunni. Where is this is happening?
What's up? It's your boy Jackie Ross, and we are live in Rehab City, Zachai Lagoon D'or for the video shoot of Eating Something. My boy King Dee featuring Lavien. You already know we're out here making it happen. Shout out to the biggest team in the game. This seems to be a star-studded classic music videos. I mean, so many stars are here. Shout out to Christoph The Change, Officer Tuso, Yo B, Lavien is here, of course. So many dancers, and you know, shout out to Director Meek, shout out to Ice Breezy, shout out to K9. You already know how it goes down. Hey, what's up guys? So right about now we're going towards the main street with Officer Tuso and Lorpu for the first scenes. You know, we're trying to get the drama scenes out of the way first before we start with performances, you know. So Mark, yeah.
DJ R.
Ready and action.
Yeah, keep it classic. But today, expect magic, man.
Yeah, I know you can do
so
it.
far, so good. We've done amazing with Officer Tuso and Lorpu. We just completed that scene, so we gotta do the other scene. We have to finish them off.
So guys, you wash up, Jackie Robbie on the camera, you know it's the bomb.
You already know what's up.
Make shout everybody, man. You know I like it down with Jackie Raw. Biggest video director in like, bro. We here today on King Dee shoot. And you know when that Jackie behind the camera, he will shoot it good.
Yo, if you're not classic, you're not phrase, you'll never be classic. So guys, we locked down with Jackie rocks on it. And today we already have a video shoot. It's about classic.
Hello to the people of Moya, you know, the boy with the bracing and more. Yeah, you know, shout out to all of y'all. Shout out to my bro Jackie Rock for the quality shoot, you know, yeah. One love to Jackie Rock, the biggest videographer in the whole big country. Yeah, and I met the pro want to 1-2 for me, bro. Keep on the good way and shit, you know what I mean?
Article 17 of the Constitution of Liberia says shoot with Jackie. Hey yo, Jackie, if you not shoot with Jackie, you'll be sentenced to 17 years in prison. Hey yo, Jackie, I see you.
A scary and beautiful guys, you will love it. You already know it's about email with live with who? Jackie Ross. You already know when Jackie on it now, you must know that something big.
You already know it's your boy King Dee, man. I'm with Jackie Ross. This is our first ever project together. Looking forward to more. We're shooting Eating Sunni, you know, video. Go bring your Sunni, let go walk up. I eat your Jew, yeah, nigga, that's what you my brother for. You already know it's a banger, man. Stay tuned. It's gonna be dropping soon. I'm not holding on to it too much. You know, I got no regular label that will tell me that I gotta wait 1 year if I can drop my video.
I was in this outfit at Elsa. You already know we're outside here once more with Jackie, and with Jackie it's always a fire thing. We got one coming. Expect bangers.
Dancers, pay attention and join the queue. Very well. So your dance finish, get beat vibing until the whole song ends. Yeah, looking at you.
My man,
Let's go.
you gotta hit that one.
Everybody ready? Everybody here, please look at the camera. Come on, let's go.
Everybody,
Hey!